Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have been coming across so many dupes lately for really high-end looking pieces, and I don't know if that's because I've just been more like looking at high-end websites, so then I'm able to find those dupes from other places whenever I come across them or what, but for some reason I've just been finding so many lately, so I wanted to share some with you guys so that you can get in on these looks for less, because if you follow me for any amount of time, then you know that I love a high-end look but don't want to pay the price if I don't have to. So I'm going to share some of these with you guys. If you're new here, I'm Noelle. Welcome. I make new videos like this every single week. I love home decor and high-end look, but like I said, don't always want to pay the price. So if you like those kind of videos, then this channel is for you. So consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's go ahead and get into these dupes. This first piece we're going to look at is from McGee & Co. and it is their Goodman Pendant, and it is ringing in at $900 per pendant. So this is a pretty large scale pendant, but you can get it small, medium, or large, so that's really nice. But they have lots of different finishes. They have brass, bronze, and antique nickel. They even have like some mixed metal ones. So I actually found, before I found this one, I found the dupe on Wayfair and loved it. And this one is $147 right now on sale. So all of the prices that I'm going to be saying are current with what I'm looking at right now. They may not be the same whenever you see this video, but I'm going to have everything that I talk about, the dupes and the high-end pieces, all linked in the description box below so that you guys can easily find those pieces and shop through those links. So this one also comes in different sizes as well. There's 3 different sizes, and it also comes in different finishes. So there's the warm brass, the matte black, the polished nickel. So this one doesn't have the mixed metal looks like the Goodman Pendant does, but it is still a really awesome dupe, and I've seen this styled over kitchen islands and it just looks so stunning. McGee & Co. has styled theirs too, hanging over like a large dining room table, which I think is gorgeous. So I think that this is a great look for less. If you don't want to spend $900 for a pendant, that's personally not in my budget. So this could be a good option for that and give you a really similar look for like $800 less. So I love this one. This next high-end piece is from Lulu in Georgia, and I have been looking for an office chair because this one I redid for my office, and it was an older chair and I was trying to fix it up and make it look nice, and it definitely looks nice, but like it's an older chair, so it's really pretty, but I don't know that it's going to be sturdy enough to be sitting in all the time and like filming videos and editing and stuff. So anyways, I was looking at an office chair, so I found this one on Lulu in Georgia. Loved it. So pretty. It has this gorgeous leather to it, and it just looks really comfortable, like super plush. So there's this dupe from Amazon, and it is only $145, and it has that same cool like faded light leather look to it, which I just really like. I just really like it. I think it looks really cool and worn. But this one has those same little like cushy sections in it, and it just looks really comfortable and a really great price. So $1,000 compared to $145. So this is definitely the one that I would choose. So this next piece is from McGee & Co. and it is this really beautiful art piece, and it's this beach scene. It's Villarville Beach, and it's priced at $268. But it's so pretty, it's so moody, and it just has all these warm tones to it, which I love. So I was really wanting a piece like this for my office actually, and I found, you guys, the exact same art piece on Etsy. And I feel like I shared another piece like this in my last high-end dupe video, so I'll link that up here. But Etsy, guys, has so many really great prints that are like identical to these high-end prints, and They may not be as good quality or like hand painted or whatever, but like if that's just the look that you want and you don't care about super like special hand painted things, then this one from Etsy is $4.20 for the print. So what I always do is I print it out and then I go on to Walgreens and print it out at Walgreens. And I always get really good prints from them, and they always have like some kind of promo code going on their website. So I pretty much always at least get 50% off. So that is a really great option if you like the look of these high-end prints but don't want to pay the price or don't care to have that. You just really want the look. Then Etsy's a really great option, and this one is the Moody Coastal Painting. So it's literally the same print, and it's gorgeous. So this next dupe is again from McGee & Co. because they just have really good stuff, you guys, and I love all their things. So this is the Walt bed, and the queen size is $2,900. So it also ranges depending on the type of fabric that you get too. So like if you get, I think the most expensive one is their performance linen, and that one is $3,700 for the queen size, and for the king it's $4,000. So with the nicer fabric, you know, it's better quality and it's going to last longer. But I was able to find a very similar bed on Wayfair, and I really like this one because the fabric looks a lot like it looks very similar. So this is the Amera upholstered low profile standard bed, and for the queen size it is going to be $899. So it is such a better price, in my opinion, than the McGee & Co. bed, and looks so similar, especially this talc color. I feel like this is very similar to their Krypton color in alabaster. They look so similar. That is a super amazing price for something that gives you that same look, that's got the same wing back and the same really nice textured linen look. So I really love this one as well. Another bed from McGee & Co. that I think this is the one that they actually have, that Shay McGee actually has in her bedroom, is the Hoffman bed, and it has this really beautiful channel back to it. I believe they have like the green color, but I prefer the more natural neutral tones. So this one is $3,500 for the queen size in the performance linen, and for the king it's $3,700. So I found on Home Depot actually this beige queen upholstered platform bed, and it's got the same channel backing to it. It is $271, guys, for the queen size. For the king, it is $410. So compared to $3,000 some odd dollars, a steal. I did not realize how many McGee & Co. pieces I had on here. So this one I actually think they carry at some other high-end places as well. But it is the Vienna mirror, and it is it depends on the size that you get. So the small size, guys, is $1,150, and they have it in a silver leaf finish and a gold leaf finish. I actually found a dupe on Home Depot's website, and this one it only comes in the silver finish, so it is $179. But I thought that it looked so similar, and if you weren't into the silver finish, you could definitely get some gold rub and buff and paint it on there and make it look gold, and it would literally look exactly the same as this Vienna mirror from McGee & Co. and save you hundreds of like 800 some odd dollars. So that's how that was a really awesome dupe and would look so cute over a mantle or like a entryway table, or even like in your bathroom. Like if you were gonna like hang some mirrors over the sinks in your bathroom, these would be really pretty option to do that with. And the size is very similar to the small option for the McGee & Co. So I thought that this was really good, and if, like I said, if you didn't like the gold, you could definitely do a little DIY on it and use some gold rub and buff to give it that gold finish that you want. Okay guys, 2 more dupes to go. So this next one is also from McGee & Co. It is the Ackley Leather Ottoman, and it is $250, and they come in 2 different colors. There's a saddle brown and a brandy color. The saddle brown's a little bit warmer tone, but Target just released this amazing dupe. So it's by Threshold. It's their Welford Welford faux leather woven cube in the color brown, and it is only $110, so less than half the price. It is very, very similar. It's that same woven leather look, and this color is more similar to the saddle brown by McGee & Co. So I thought that this was an amazing dupe and looks so similar to the ones that Shay has in front of her fireplace, just looking so gorgeous. So I thought that this was an awesome look for less, and really, really great price for an ottoman like this. So next up, I have been looking for a entryway bench, and I really was inspired by Chris Loves Julia's entryway in their house that they're moving out of now. But it is so cute. This one is from Lulu in Georgia, and it is their Laney bench in Sandy Oak, and it is $799. So I thought this would be really cute in an entryway. It could pull a little farmhouse, which I'm not really into, but I think if you style it in a space, it could also just feel really warm and rustic, which I like. So I found this dupe over on Kirkland's, and let me tell you guys, Kirkland's has some really good stuff. Some of their stuff is a little too farmhouse or a little too rustic, but some of their stuff is really good, like this bench. So this bench is the Sandy Oak Aspen Wooden Bench, and it is currently on clearance for $299, and they have like a 25. Nope, it's off of regularly priced items. But anyways, they've usually always got coupon codes on Kirkland's as well. But right now this one's priced at $299. But it literally looks exactly the same. Like if they were side by side, I don't think that I would be able to tell which one was which. They are like, they're identical, and I just think it would be so cute in an entryway with some little pillows and just the perfect spot to, at least for me, set my kids down and put on their shoes before we run out the door, or take off shoes when we come in the house. So I thought that this was just a really gorgeous option for an entryway if you didn't want to do like a table, or if you wanted to do this in addition to an entry table. But it's this really beautiful color, and the Lulu in Georgia one also comes in a black finish, but it's out of stock. But Kirkland's doesn't have that one. They just have this nice light wooden color, which I love. Alrighty guys, that is all of the high-end dupes that I have for y'all today. I will keep an eye out for some more so that I can bring you guys some more high-end dupes. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so that I know to keep making these kinds of videos for you guys. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos that I have, especially if you love a high-end look but want to stay on a budget like me. Then definitely consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.